Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Boxycharm box for March. So let's just get into it. This is the box right here. So this is the March Boxycharm base box, and this is sent to me, although this isn't a sponsored video. I just received this box in PR, so I figured it'd be fun to unbox it. I love making these videos. It seems like you guys like them too, so let's go. There are 2 skincare products in this box that I'm not going to be trying today, obviously because I have my makeup done for you guys, but I am going to be using the palette. There's lip gloss here and a setting spray. Okay, for starters, has this been in a box before? Because I feel like I have like 5 of these. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It's calming and hydrating. Yeah, I feel like I definitely have this. I don't know, but here it is, guys. It looks so fancy in this little container. Just makes me want to eat it. Ooh, it smells just like banana runts. So this is a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's also non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic. I guess that means it won't break you out, making it essentially good for sensitive skin. Blending with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and sisa? It's a recipe for hydrated, healthy-looking skin, and this is $39. Does feel really lightweight. It doesn't feel greasy at all. I just rubbed it in on my skin, but I'm excited to use this. I could have sworn I had this, but I think I might have seen this in a pamphlet for like the Allure beauty box, because I also review those products as well. I feel like maybe I just saw it on like the rundown and I didn't wind up getting the product for that one. Either way, I can't wait to try this guy. And next up, like I said, these are hydrating masks that I'm not going to be using, but this is the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Face Mask. Okay, so this is 3 masks. These nourishing avocado and green tea infused eye patches will hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. Avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while green tea energizes and depuffs your under eyes. Say goodbye to stress, treat and relax your under eyes. You deserve it. So this is $18, which actually isn't bad for 3 of these, and I love a good like depuff under the eyes. I don't know if I just am not getting correct sleep, but I'm always puffy underneath my eyes, so I can't wait to try these guys. Next up, we have the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. Probably should have taken this out. These are definitely wearable everyday shades. I mean, maybe not the purple, but I like that you can always just throw that in if you want a little pop of color. I think I might go in with Bliss and Rapture, which are these 2 here. So I'll go in with Bliss in my crease. That's like a mauvey pink. And let me zoom you guys in. I just touched up my hair today. It just feels so nice and fluffy. And look at all this fresh blue. I do have a video on how I dye my hair as well, in case you guys are looking for that. It's how I touch up my blue hair at home. Or I guess how I maintain my blue hair. I forget what I called it, but yeah. I really like how much pigment's on here. I actually haven't tried too many of Lime Crime's products. I know that their lipstick back in the day, what was it? Their liquid lipstick, Cashmere? Was a huge deal. I even remember companies in China like ripping it off and selling like glue in the formula, and people are getting their lips stuck together, which isn't funny. I don't know why I just laughed. But I also remember Lime Crime went through like a lot of shit. Do you guys remember that? So I think they were, their website got broken into or something like that, and a lot of their customers' information was stolen. And then they kind of didn't do anything about it, which you can't really hold it against them now. They actually are owned by someone new now, so it should be secure now, but I feel like once that happens, you're always kind of second guessing. But if you're ever nervous to buy a product off a website, I suggest going to get like a prepaid card, like a prepaid Visa somewhere, and then buy it with that. That's always my like workaround. I really like the shade though. It's still like subtle enough to be like a neutrally kind of shade without being too in your face, but it's still like happy, you know what I mean? It's still like bright enough to be like, that bitch. This looks more of a mauve shade in the palette, but it's actually more of like a rose, I would say. think I'm actually gonna tie my hair back for this. I think it's just like too big right now. Whenever it's like freshly washed, I have really thick hair, but then just from like straightening it normally, I don't have it straightened right now, but normally when I straighten it, it just like kind of thins out and it's just easier to deal with, but I like the voluminousness. It's just a little bit too much sometimes. Ugh, I should have cleaned my brushes before this video. I'm also just gonna do the outer corner. You guys already know. So the color's looking even more intense because it's just a little bit wet from me cleaning it. But that's the fun thing about eyeshadows, is that you can always make them darker by wetting the brush. Now I'm going into that shade Rapture. And I just want to apply it with my pinky to see what this looks like. Okay, so this is super light. This is like a light, it's like a light pink with some iridescent sparkles in it. I don't know if that's coming through on camera, but they're like iridescent purple sparkles. I'm swatching the palette for you guys, and this is a very lightly pigmented palette. Like, I'm trying really hard to swatch these, and I feel like they're not really coming up on my hand. Okay, so these are the swatches right here. I personally would not go out and buy this palette. I just feel like, I don't know, I guess maybe that's not fair to say. If you have like more fair skin, I feel like this would be a good palette for you, especially if you like a really natural looking eye and just kind of like a hint of glitter. Like, as you guys can see on here, there's like 3 shades that are just like pure kind of topper shades, just kind of sparkle topper shades. But if you're really into like pink and purpley tones, I think that you would like this. I just don't know if I would go out and buy it myself. Let me see how much this is. Ooh, yeah, this is almost a $40 palette, so it's $38. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Next up, we have the Kab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Ooh. I love glosses that have that big doe foot. I don't know what it is about it. It's just, I don't know if it just reminds me of being a kid again. And it just smells really good too. I'm trying to think of what it smells like. It almost has like a hint of cinnamon. Okay, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. And this is $20, which $20 is a really great price for the amount of product that you're getting in here. And this really just gives you that glassy shine if that's where you're into. I think you would love this. You know, I'm gonna put a lip liner on real quick, and then I'll come back and show you guys this with the lip liner because I feel like that's gonna look really good. Okay, lips are lined. Let's see this guy. I've been really into a gloss lately, which is kind of like a negative and a positive. It's definitely a negative for masks right now because if you're gonna put on your mask, it's just like comes right off it. You almost need to wear a matte lip now if you're going out somewhere. But oh, I do love a gloss. Okay, so last product, we have the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. I'm very familiar with this one actually. I have been working with them over on Instagram and TikTok. So I already know that I love this setting spray. They also have a prep spray, if you guys didn't know. Let me see, I actually have that here. Okay, so this is their prep set spray. Figured I would just show you guys just in case, but I really love both of these. They really do make your makeup stay on, and I filmed a TikTok because they say that once you put this on, it makes your makeup waterproof, and it really does. I sprayed my face down with the sink hose. That makeup did not budge. And with the rose water in here, it's very calming. And like any setting spray, it really just gets rid of that powdery finish on your skin if you use powders. This setting spray, by the way, is $22, which you can get this a lot cheaper on fashionnova.com. They always have sales. They almost always have 40% off over there, so definitely make sure that you get it on that site. But yeah, I love this setting spray. Actually, all of Maven Beauty's products are really good. So I'll link Maven Beauty down below for you guys. I don't like my code, it's not like a code, it's like a special link that shows when somebody purchases from me, but I don't get a percentage from that, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'll have that link down below in case you guys want to check out their products. But let me know what you guys think of the March Boxycharm base box. I liked it. So I kind of want to let me know what you guys think of the banana souffle. Did you get that in a past one, or am I just thinking of something else? And I guess I would say you guys already know my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. Wasn't that big of a fan of it. I mean, the colors came out beautifully, but there's really only like 4 pigmented shades there. The rest are more topper shades. So like I said, if you're more into like a natural like beauty look, or if you just like topper shades, that might be a good one for you. Or I mean, if you're just a fan of pinks and purples, like I said. I love this gloss, love the setting spray, as I said. And I can't wait to try the under eye gels. I feel like I'm gonna love those. But yeah, I feel like I'm just like rambling at this point. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you wanna see more videos from me. Whoa, if you wanna see more videos from me? If you want to see more videos from me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I really do love this gloss though. And it's not like sticky. In others, oh, if you guys watch my ColourPop video that I did, I put a gloss on and I was talking and my lips were like sticking together. It had all of this like you know when a gloss is like too sticky, like when you're talking, they're like kind of sticking together and you can see like strands of it as you're speaking. This did not do that. Looks really good. Just feels super hydrating. Okay, bye guys.